Hello everyone. Do you want to read Facebook messages without letting people know you've seen them? I'll show you how to turn off seen message on Facebook Messenger. Let's go. Open your Messenger app. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right. This opens your Messenger options. Now tap Settings. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Privacy and Safety. This is where your privacy settings live. Scroll down again. Tap Read Receipts. This controls whether people see the seen mark. Turn off the switch next to Show Read Receipts. And that's it. Now you can check your messages in peace without anyone knowing you've read them. If this helped, hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help you out.